Hello there, note-taking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a quick comparison of two powerful apps, Obsidian and Reflect Notes. Let's break them down and see which one's right for you. Buckle up, this'll be fast. First up, we have Obsidian. It's a free, offline-first, note-taking app built on markdown files stored locally on your device. Obsidian shines with its bidirectional linking, letting you create a web of interconnected notes, visualized in a cool graph view. With over 1,000 plugins, it's insanely customizable, which is perfect for coders, researchers, or anyone who loves tweaking their workflow. But it does have a steep learning, and syncing across devices does cost $8 a month. Next, we have Reflect Notes. This is a cloud-based app with a sleek, minimalist design costing $10 per month. Reflect mirrors your brain's thinking with fast note capture, AI-powered features like semantic search, and seamless calendar and contact integration. It's beginner-friendly and secure with end-to-end encryption, but lacks offline access and deep customization compared to Obsidian. Now, let's compare. Obsidian's your go-to if you love flexibility, local storage, and don't mind some setup time. It's ideal for power users like developers or academics who want to build a personal wiki. Reflect, on the other hand, is perfect for those who want simplicity, speed, and AI-driven features without the hassle of configuration. Great for professionals or casual users. Here's a quick chart to sum it up. If you're a tech-savvy user who loves control and doesn't mind a challenge, go with Obsidian. If you want a fast, intuitive app with AI smarts, Reflect's your pick. Try them out and see what fits your vibe. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.